Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Union Bank online. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. In order to log into Union Bank online, go tap open your web browser first. Soon after you do that, type in www.unionbank.com and search from the official website. Click on the Sign On button at the upper right from the expanded menu, and here use your ID in the first text field. Now tap on the Sign On button. And soon after you do that, on the next page, you'll be able to see a password option. Go ahead and enter your password in the password text field. Make sure to type in the correct password associated with your account. Once you type in your password, you can tap on the Submit button in order to log in. But in case you've forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password link right here and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Once you reset your password into a new one, type it in the text field and tap on Submit. So now to tap on Submit, you'll be able to log into your Union Bank online. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. At the back soon with more tutorial episodes. Bye till